Hello everyone, in this video let's learn about business protocol. Business protocols are the unwritten rules or guidelines that are peculiar to every culture or organization and are supposed to be observed by all the parties in the conduct of business, entertaining, negotiating and politics, etc. Here these are the guidelines that has to be followed by every organization in order to get a better image in the minds of the customers. Business protocol is an extremely important aspect of the formation of relationship within a company and between the companies. Protocol can be defined as a proper procedure of conduct. There are many different protocols necessary between different countries and similar care should be taken at all times in the business. Here these business protocols are very essential in building relationship either within the company or between the companies. Here within the company means between the members of the company or workers of the company. Here this protocol can be defined as a proper procedure of the conduct. It means how exactly one should behave in the organization, that is mentioned under business protocol, and this protocol it differs depending upon the company or country. Types of business etiquette. Here this business protocol can also be called as business etiquette. There are 5 types: email etiquette, customer service etiquette, business associate etiquette, workplace etiquette, telephone etiquette. First one, email business etiquette. Nowadays emails constitute bulk of every business communications. Hence it is imperative to inculcate excellent business etiquette while sending or responding to emails. Nowadays all the business transactions, business companies use emails for communicating with each other. Therefore everybody should know how to write the proper mail in order to get a better image for their company. There are certain guidelines which has to be followed by everyone while writing the emails, and they are as follows. Avoid mass mailing. Sending the same messages or sending the same mail to several members at the same time is called mass mailing. It always, most of the times people consider it as spam and ignore the messages. Therefore it is not good to send mails through mass mailing. Therefore we have to avoid mass mailing. Next, explicitly mention the subject of your mail. The reason for which we are sending the mail, that has to be mentioned very clearly in the subject. It helps to avoid any confusion to the recipients. Mention the recipient's full name with appropriate suffix. You have to personalize the message, that is by mentioning the recipient's full name. You are also supposed to use the suffixes such as Mr. or Miss while sending the mail. Do not write long paragraphs. You should try to reduce your message in 1 or 2 sentences. You have to avoid writing lengthy paragraphs while sending the mails. Be concise yet precise in your message. You are not supposed to beat around the bush. Come to the right point without much exaggerations. You have to write the precise message in a short way possible. Express gratitude. You have to express your gratitude to the recipients for their cooperation and time they are giving to read your message. Immediately acknowledge every mail you received. Whenever you receive the mail, you have to respond to the email immediately, which gives a better image to your company. These are some of the email etiquette you have to follow in order to get a better image for your company. Second one is customer service etiquette. Integral part of the etiquette is how to deal or interact with the customers. Here it is essential to bear in mind that the customer is the core of the business. Customer is considered as the king of the business. Therefore, you have to make sure that you are giving a better customer service. For that, you have to follow certain protocols, and they are as follows. First one, greet all the customer with a smile. Whenever the customer comes to your organization, greet them with a smile and try to guide them towards the seats as possible. Be very patient. While communicating with the customer, try to maintain patience. They may be coming to you with the suggestions or queries. You have to maintain the patience. Speak amicably. You must try to maintain a friendly atmosphere in your organization. While talking to the customer, try to be friendly and try to avoid any kind of arguments with your customers. Avoid raising your voice at all the costs. The customers may be there with a question or a problem. You have to make sure that you are not going to raise your voice at the customer at any cost. It helps to avoid any kind of problems in your organization. Offer a beverage such as coffee, tea, or soft drink. If possible, try to offer some coffee, tea, or soft drink to the customers. These are the small things that you have to consider while giving customer services. Business associate etiquette. This is all about the entire system of how to deal with the business associates. Modern business requires a proactive approach. While communicating with your associates, you have to maintain certain protocols, and they are as follows. Fix the meeting at mutually convenient venues, date and time. Whenever you are going to fix a meeting, you have to make sure that the date, time and the venue is convenient to you as well as to the associates. Be present at the venue well in advance. You have to be present at the venue even before the associate arrives at the venue. Ensure that all the files, documents and documents relevant for the meeting are available at the venue. Once after the commencement of the meeting, you won't be able to check whether all the documents are available. Therefore, you have to make sure that all the files and documents are available at the venue well in advance. Greet your associates with a bouquet. When the associates arrives at the venue, you have to invite them with a bouquet. Never keep your business associates waiting. As we have already seen, you have to be there in the venue well in advance. You are not supposed to let the associate wait for you. Ensure you are not disturbed by phone calls. You have to make sure that you switched off your cell phones, and thereby you can avoid any disturbance from the cell phones. These are some of the protocols you have to follow while dealing with the associates. Workplace etiquette. Workplace etiquette stems from the office decorum. Here are few things one can do for improving the workplace etiquette. Every organization has their own rules and regulations that has to be followed in the workplace, and some of the workplace etiquette are as follows. Inform all staffs about do's and do nots at the office. When the worker joins the organization, you have to inform what they are supposed to do and not supposed to do in the office well in advance. Encourage a system of greeting one another, especially when one arrives for the work or leaves for the day. Greeting each other always create better environment and encourage a good relationship between the workers of the organization. Therefore, you have to encourage the workers to greet each other always. Create an atmosphere of confidence where employees at all the levels can share views openly without fear of punishments. You have to encourage the workers to speak openly without any fear of punishments, which is very helpful for your organization to get better suggestion from your workers. Nip unhealthy gossips. Don't let people to gossip in your organization. Maintain a proper dress code. Make sure that the workers dress code is not against your organizational policies. Never allow personal disputes to erupt into verbal duels at workplace. You have to make sure that the workers are having a good relationship with each other, and never let the workers to get into any kind of arguments inside the organization. These are some of the things which will help the organization to run in a better manner. Telephone etiquette. Telephone etiquette is important extension of the business. It allows people from afar to connect immediately. Every major company has landline phones where the business associates and customers can contact. To achieve excellent phone etiquette, people need to follow the following rules. These telephones are very essential now because it helps the people to communicate with the people in the faraway places. Here, while communicating in the telephone, you have to follow certain procedures, and they are as follows. First one, friendly greetings. Whenever you receive the phone call, greet them in a friendly manner. Tone of voice, you have to maintain a pleasant tone while communicating through cell phone. Tact, sometimes you may have to give some unpleasant information to your recipients through telephone. While doing this, you have to handle the situation tactically. Active listening, whenever you receive the phone call, you have to pay 100% attention to the message you are receiving through telephone, and if there is any confusion, you have to get it cleared immediately. Appropriate closing, while ending the phone call, you have to end it with the proper greetings. These are some of the things you have to consider while communicating through telephone. These are the different types of business protocol which helps the organization to get a better image in the minds of the public. Relevance of business protocol. Business etiquette helps foster better communication within office and externally. Business protocol always helps to build a better relationship and a better communication within the organization as well as between organization and the society. Further, business etiquette helps to develop standard business practices at all the levels of corporate. Here, business protocol involves certain rules and regulations which are helpful for the company to have to develop standard business practices at all the levels of the corporate. The key component of sales, after sales service, customer grievance redress, client retention, loyalty building, troubleshooting, and marketing rely solely upon business etiquette. All the activities of business can be performed very well with the help of following this business protocol. The product or services offered by a company are secondary over business etiquette. Even if your organization is selling high quality product, you may lose your customers if your organization do not follow proper business etiquette. So business etiquette is higher important than the product's quality of your organization. Excellent business etiquette boosts staff confidence and creates healthy working ambience. If the organization is following proper business etiquette, it encourages the worker to be more confident and free in the organization. It helps to create healthy working environment. Companies with great business etiquette are less prone to lawsuits and adverse publicity. As we have already seen, this business etiquette does not allow any kind of arguments or disputes in their organization. It helps to avoid any kind of lawsuits or adverse publicity about the organization. It helps better understanding of foreign trade partners, associates and customers. This business etiquette always helps the organization in understanding the foreign partners, associates and customers. These are certain importance of business protocol. To conclude, business etiquette is a set of manners that is accepted or required in the profession. Business etiquette is important because it creates a professional, mutually respectful atmosphere and improves the communication, which helps an office serve as a productive place. People feel better about their jobs and they feel respected, and that translates into better customer relationship as well. Here these business protocol, they are the guidelines which always helps the organization to get a better image from in the minds of the customers, as well as it helps to build a better relationship within the organization as well as between the companies, and it also helps the workers to feel better in their workplace. Therefore, business etiquette is very essential to be followed by every organizations. Thank you.